In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off flashlight notifications on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility, then scroll down again until you find Audio and Visual, and then scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find LED flash for alerts. We need to get into it, and that's where we can configure LED flash for alerts, and then all we have to do is just turn off all of these options to completely turn off flashlight notifications on your iPhone. However, you can configure it in different way. Let's say you can keep flash in silent mode enabled. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.